All right. Each question in your quiz is worth 4 points. In order to receive all 4 points, you need to do the following. Step 1, after you've read the question completely, you're going to choose the correct formula. So in the problem, the formula that was appropriate for this was the speed formula. So you would write out the speed formula, S equals D over T. That's your first point. Second point is to set the problem up correctly, i.e. show your work. So in the problem, the distance that you were given was 10 meters, feet, miles, inches, whatever, and the speed was 2. Seconds, minutes, hours, days, whatever it was. That's your second point. Your third point is to get the correct number answer. 10 divided by 2 give you 5. And your fourth and final point is to include the correct units labeled on your answer. In this case, meters per second. So in order to receive full credit for each question, you need to choose the correct formula, show your work, get the right number answer, and the correct units.